Apple cider vinegar is one of the best ingredients for a healthy lifestyle. I've used it in my hair for years. It removes product buildup and leaves your hair super shiny and clean. It seals the hair cuticle, which makes the hair appear smoother and shinier. I just love ACV on my hair, but it's a process to try and cocktail your own mixture. So I'm so happy to have this Creme of Nature Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Rinse. And it even takes out the strongest scent of vinegar. I totally love it. We recommend using the ACV once a week to remove product and to thoroughly cleanse the hair and scalp. If you wash every 2 to 3 days, try our Creamy Hydration Co-Wash. It gently cleanses the hair and it adds moisture. Whenever, you can use as a shampoo replacement in between shampoo and conditioning or pre-shampoo. My favorite way to use this rinse is to apply it to wet hair, rinse, and then apply the Creamy Hydration Co-Wash. It makes my hair soft, super clean, and manageable, which is the perfect base for any style.